Hi guys, just back from college. I've been there all day as a model for Amanda in a competition that she's doing, and she's done amazing. Totally love them and I'm super proud of her. So well done, Amanda. So the day started with me getting my makeup done. The makeup artist's name is Abby Mason and she was absolutely lovely and done a fantastic job of my makeup. And this is me and Abby here. I then went to the hairdressing section and had my hair done into a fishtail, which was good, and I forgot to get the lady's name that done my hair. So once that was finished, we started with the nails, and this is Amanda working here on the fishtail, which was absolutely stunning. So she done absolutely amazing, even though she was scared, a bit nervous because she was doing my nails, but she done really well. This is a girl that is born with natural talent to do nails, and I could see her going quite far. So this is the finished result, and they are absolutely amazing. And then these are some of the, not this one but the next one, the professional photos which were done by Shannon Connolly. And she was in love with the nails as well, so I had a really good day. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and again well done Amanda for doing this cracking set of nails. Thanks for watching, bye just now.